Hello everyone, today we are here to talk a little bit about roses. From looking inside the window, I saw somebody over here that's looking beautiful with huge blooms. So I said, let's head outside to the garden and let's talk a little bit about this beautiful rose here. So in the beginning of this growing season, we got sent by Proven Winners Color Choice four new roses that will be out next year, 2023, in garden centers. You can find them out there, right? You got to order them from through Proven Winners online. Sorry about that. So they are available. So if I'm going to talk a little bit about them, and that way, if you can't wait, you can order them before they come out on garden centers. But this one right here is from, I'm going to open the book that I got. And this one is from a series called Reminiscent. So it's new. And it's called Crema, cream. And it's beautiful. So I did get to see in the beginning when they arrived, they did put out some blooms, but they're still young roses. So I only got to see it bloom for a little bit. And I didn't get to see the blooms this gorgeous. So they have this beautiful look of an old-fashioned rose, and the smell is the fragrance is just beautiful, like an old fragrant rose. So that to me is amazing. Knowing ourselves, we grow a lot of the roses from Proven Winners, and they are amazing roses. They are very tough roses. They are very disease-resistant roses. And sometimes a lot of you guys always tell me that you shy away from growing roses, like old-fashioned roses, old English roses, because it's tough to keep these guys looking good all the time. A lot of the things are diseases like black spot, for instance. And the good thing about the roses from Proven Winners is that you really don't have to worry about those things. They're super easy. And I always tell everybody, if you want to grow the easy roses, if you want to grow roses and something super easy, go with the variety from Proven Winners. So like I said, this one is Crema, and it's from the series Reminiscent. So I wanted to read something before I start showing you more of the other ones. I do want to talk more about the color. My goodness. So I have another rose that is in white, and that is an English rose. And it has a little bit of that color inside, that like a lemony color yellow. It's just so stunning and beautiful. But this one is the bloom is bigger, and the color is just stunning, and it opens all the way where, oh my goodness, you can see inside of it. And we still have pollinators here. So the pollinators were going crazy for it during the day. I wanted to go ahead and show it to you guys too, because I don't know, how much longer we're going to continue seeing the roses as we're towards we're already in fall. And the light's I have it in the north side of the garden. So in full sun, this is a full sun rose. So you would see it blooming a lot more. I have some of the Proven Winners up in the front in the south. And usually, they're in bloom around this time, all the way to first frost. So it also has dark leaves, which they are just beautiful. In the beginning, you will see a little bit of the black spot. That's normal because the rose is trying to establish itself. But then after that, they start to mature and put down. Their roots are settled in, established, and you won't see that. That's not something that you're going to see a lot with these kind of roses. So going back to the flower, I'm jumping all over the place because I'm that excited about it. It has a lot of petals. And it just keeps opening and opening, and it just looks stunning. I'm gonna have Ambrose go ahead and share some of the photos of when it starts, and it starts to open towards the end of the petal. But I wanna go ahead and read a little bit about how these roses came to be. So I'm gonna read from the catalog that they sent us here. So this is, okay, so unexpectedly, our hunt for better roses took us to the homeland of Nikola Tesla, where we discovered a team of talented women running a first-class rose breeding program. With over 58,000 crosses each year and over 70,000 seedlings planted out every season, they are not messing around. Motivated by Eastern Damask scent of Bulgaria's Rose Valley in Sparta, Turkey's city of roses, inspired by Old English and traditional French styles, this team has developed roses that are the ultimate in color, petal count, fragrance, and performance. Bred by rose lovers for rose lovers, Reminiscent roses bring back the elegance and delight that's been missing for too long. So just like I read right now, these ladies are not messing around when they are, you know, going ahead and coming up with these beautiful roses. It's not such a long video. I just wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys. We do have some other ones from other series in the Proven Winners, Proven Winners collection of roses that we do have. Like they have come out with new climbers. They're small climbers. Those have done amazing as well, and we just can't wait for these roses to go ahead and mature. I can only imagine how this beauty here as a mature rose would look, in a bush, as a bushy plant would look planted in masses. I'm just picturing it in my head, giving this. I think it just looks amazing. And I decided to put it here. I told Ambrose, I think we need to go ahead and put it in the backyard, in our little secret garden, because it's just, we get, it's a secret garden in this north area of the garden, and at nighttime it's just looking amazing and glowing. So yeah, just wanted to share a little bit of this because I know we had a little garden tour the other day, and I had seen some of the buds, and I promised you guys that I was going to show you when it bloomed, and here it is. So if you are interested in these roses, you can go ahead and order them before they come out next year on garden centers, or you can go ahead and wait and just keep your eyes out in your local garden centers. It's been really nice to talk about this one. It smells beautiful. It actually has, before I go, I want to tell y'all, it has a very sweet, warm cinnamon smell. It's very pretty. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and as soon as I have the other ones giving more blooms, I'll go ahead and show them too. Bye.